Hello guys, a warm welcome to my InstaClient review. Let us see, are the InstaClient worth your money or not? What problem does this product solve? And it works well with a good feature or not? A special bonus at the end of this video. Do you find it difficult to attract and retain enough customers to grow your business? If the answer is yes, you ought to sign up for the InstaClient recipe. With just 5 easy steps, you may find clients that are willing to pay for your services on a monthly basis right away. So what is InstaClient? The InstaClient recipe is a formula that will find your ideal client quickly and weed out everyone who will waste your time. They've also developed a straightforward but incredibly efficient method that will convert those leads into real customers in a hurry. The success of owners, coaches, and consultants of digital agencies is crippled by 3 absurdly common dead ends. Most business owners find themselves in the position of looking for fresh leads to expand their clientele, uncertain of where to look for new customers willing to pay for their services. Many entrepreneurs lack the knowledge on where to find customers. If you're ready to stop hitting those dead ends and instead focus on securing a steady stream of new clients into your business, then it's time for you to start leveraging the client attraction power of the step-by-step recipe for landing clients so easily you can work from your couch, a coffee shop, or even poolside. The InstaClient recipe uses a process to land clients that's so simple, it hardly counts as work. Using Instagram, we've developed a formula that will quickly locate your perfect client and filter out anyone who will be a drain on your efforts. We've also created a simple, but insanely effective process that will quickly turn those leads into paying clients. Let's take a look at InstaClient features. Here's what you'll learn inside. You'll be able to quickly find high-quality leads that will soon be your perfect client. Gone are the days of guessing where to find leads and coming up empty-handed. We'll show you exactly where to find your ideal client, allowing you to begin making connections quickly. More importantly, you'll find out how to avoid leads that will waste your time, allowing you to focus your energy on the people who are most likely to pay for your service. Also, you can build your solid connections with leads that will motivate them to work with you. You won't be ignored by potential clients anymore. The InstaClient recipe uses an authentic approach that leads will appreciate and actually respond to, laying the groundwork for an easy yes when you offer your services. Successfully grow your client base and give your monthly income a boost. We've removed the guesswork and discomfort that many business owners experience when pitching their services. Instead, you'll be given a proven formula that will successfully close the deal. Soon, you'll grow your client base and finally achieve those big monthly income goals you've been chasing after, and enjoy the freedom and simplicity of working from anywhere. This entire system is so laid back and easy to do that you can reach out, follow up, and secure new clients from anywhere your smartphone is. Whether that's in the comfort of your home office or a hotel room in your dream destination, you'll enjoy the security of new clients freely flowing into your business no matter where you are. Let's see what will you get inside of InstaClient. No. 5 exclusive tips for choosing your company's ideal clients. This incredibly effective tactic makes use of Instagram's enormous user base, showing you where to find your ideal client. No. 2 Finding your 10 ideal hashtags. The majority of people are vague about hashtags and what they're used for. However, few business owners are aware of hashtags' capacity to provide high-quality leads. No. 3 Developing a relationship with a prospective client. Here, they position you for the greatest degree of achievement and an easy deal closure. No. 4 The Insta DM recipe. Knowing how to approach a potential consumer is challenging. Most people actually struggle to find the perfect words to say. This portion of the InstaClient recipe takes care of that. No. 5 How to close the deal. You'll learn the exact phrases to employ in order to complete the deal. You'll learn just how to stop wasting time on those who aren't interested in your services. They use a sincere approach that forges a true bond between you and the possible client. Therefore, it will be clear that they should accept your offer when you pitch your service. The best aspect is that with this simple approach, you can get in and get out. You can find clients and high-quality leads quickly. Additionally, you'll have immediate access to the following unique bonuses that will make it easier for you to succeed. Bonus No. 1: The Insta Pipeline. The procedure that ensures potential new clients are always on the table. This workflow is your full action plan for as much process simplification as you can achieve. He will show how he uses the InstaClient recipe in the morning from the comfort of his bed. Yes, it really is that easy. If you follow this action plan, you'll always have potential clients approaching you, which will enable consistent growth. Bonus number 2: The Insta Profile Bait. What to say in your profile to get hired by your ideal client. This is the most straightforward method of luring them into working with you, despite the fact that it's typically overlooked. He discloses them in Bonus 2, which are ludicrous but really effective posts that you should be making on your profile. These will assist you in differentiating yourself from the competition and luring clients. So what makes InstaClient different from other online money-making systems? InstaClient doesn't require any technical skills. It only takes a few clicks to get set up, and once you activate the app, no-cost traffic starts flowing, and then you get paid on autopilot. A special bonus for my viewers: if you purchase InstaClient from the link on the description box, I am going to provide you a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram. Just send me a screenshot of your purchase and I'll send you the bonus. That's for all today. Thanks for watching.